Happy Sunday, everybody. I hope you guys had a fantastic Thanksgiving week with your family and your friends. I know my boys are not playing today because we beat those Redskins on Thursday. That was an exciting night. I was in the house with a bunch of not so happy people that night. But hey, I was a happy Cowboy fan, so that's what counts, right? So it was an exciting night with Ricky and Jenny and Matt and all them. But anyway, so now we're getting back to just like, do you sort of feel like you are in a pumpkin pie, like coma, overdose? You just feel like, okay, I've done my first holiday just splurge. So now it's time to clean it up a little bit. So in my Facebook group, Fulfilled After 50, if you want to come over there, I'll post a link here and hop on over there. But I am doing a 5-day detox with them. We're starting tomorrow morning. Super excited. Got 35 women in there. They are ready to go. They've done their grocery shopping and we're all jumping in together to do this detox. So this is how I have prepared. So my Mondays, I have a little bit more pocket of time. So I do some cooking. Tomorrow, I will do my soups tomorrow, but this is how I have prepared for my morning. So we're going to start off with a berry smoothie, and it's going to have a half an avocado in there. And it's going to, I'm going to put some cinnamon in that, some flaxseed, and then I do my mix of berries. So I have my strawberries, I'll do my raspberries, and I'll do my blueberries. So this is going to be our smoothie in the morning. And then for our lunches, again, we're going to use this spinach, and then we're going to use our tomatoes, and so we'll put raw pumpkin seeds on top of that salad. And so for tonight, it was really simple. I just grilled chicken. I used some herb olive oil in it and cooked it and sauteed it. So simple. You do not need to make it complicated. So that's our morning smoothie. That's going to be our lunch with our protein, our tomatoes and spinach. And then tomorrow night, we're doing a zucchini pesto noodles again, and with our baked chicken. So I'll be baking chicken just with our zucchini noodles. So that's our meal one to start with, but the major thing to get them to really focus on is the water. A lot of people have problems with getting your water intake, and that is a huge part of it, because that's part of the cleansing process. It's just cleansing your system and taking in as much water as you can, half your body weight. So for me, the way I measure it, a lot of people have problems measuring your water. So this is my Yeti, it's 20 ounces, and I do compliments of, hey, Kenny Sterling, if you're looking. Compliments of you've left this here like a year ago. So this is the way I measure my water, is I take in 4 of these. So I know when I'm on my 4th one, I'm going to have those 80 ounces in. Do you use the restroom a lot? Sure you do. That's part of the cleansing process, cleaning out all those toxins. So if you want to jump in, then message me. I'll send you the plan tonight. But that's what we're doing. And then doing our tea. You can have tea or you can have black coffee with it. A lot of us, when you detox like that, you're going to get probably a little bit of headaches because you're cleansing your system. But by the time that 3rd and 4th day come around, you feel amazing. So that's my top tips for tonight. Hope you guys had a great, amazing week with your friends and family, and have a great evening. See you guys tomorrow.